Edwin Sifuna is said to visit Kitengela town on Sunday after attending a morning mass in what is expected to be a highly charged political engagement. The ODM Secretary General will be accompanied by several leaders from the opposition side as well as a senior figure from within the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM. Among those expected to attend is young Governor James Orengo, alongside other ODM leaders who have continued to show support for Sifuna admin internal party wrangles. The visit comes at a time when Sifuna has remained firm and vocal about his position on the broad-based government arrangement, which was made between Ruto and Raila before he died. He has consistently made it clear that his stand is guided by principle and the need to safeguard the identity, the strength of ODM as a party. His bold statement in recent weeks has sparked debate within the political circle, with some leaders supporting his position while others have openly opposed him. The dramatic turn of events on Saturday evening, the court overturned the decision